Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Derry. If you see my face for the first time, in this video, I'll just be talking you guys through how I made my bedroom. If you're watching this video and you're looking for inspiration for what to do to your room, this might be a good one. So guys, let's get into it. Come with me. So guys, the first thing I want to show you guys is my beautiful bed. I think this is like my favorite part of the room. What I did is I wanted it to be so comfortable and I made sure that I went for almost the best I could afford. I started with like layering the bed with like a topper. I'll put a video over for you guys so you guys will see. I put a topper on the bed. I got really nice bed sheets. Do you guys remember when I told you that I got some bed sheets, some Egyptian bed sheets in Woolwich? I used them here. So what I wanted is I wanted a really good interior company, and at the same time, at that time I was thinking like I'm trying to like reduce prices, but at the same time I want to get the best that would last me for a while. I knew that I wanted something really good for my bed-ins, and I was thinking I'll rather like get bed-ins from like a company that is really close to me so I don't have to like pay for delivery, right? Makes sense. And one thing about me is I've always liked like when your room feels like your room. You know that kind of vibe where like I never used to like my clothes poking out or like I mean when you're struggling for space, you have no choice. But if I had like my way, my wardrobe would remain in my like I would have like a working closet, or I'll make sure that my clothes stay in the wardrobe. That's the kind of person I am. Luckily for me, this house came with a very beautiful canvas. The walls were white, it was beautiful, and I was like, thank God the walls are white. When I saw this house, I was like, yeah, this is beautiful. Like this is what I wanted, white canvas. I wanted the room to look so comfortable. Like that was my only goal. I was like, my bed has to be the best. Like I want to be in my bed because I really struggle to sleep, guys. I think I have like insomnia. Is it insomnia or whatever it is? Like I struggle so hard to sleep, but I was like, anytime I go to hotels, I actually sleep well when I'm in hotels. So I was like, let me make my bed feel like an hotel bed. Like when I was buying my best spread, I was like, my best spread needs to be like the best. So I googled stuff and they were like, oh, Egyptian cottons are good. So I wanted to get that. So when I went to Woolwich, my friend already told me about one company in Woolwich that they sell like cottons and stuff. So I bought like the best spread. I think I told you guys in one of the videos when I was talking about or missing my flights. I bought the best spread there. It was a complete duvet sheet as well. And another thing why I hate like buying best spread online is it's just really annoying. Like it never comes with like a set. Do you guys understand? Like you have to buy the best spread, the pillow, and the duvet together. So sometimes I'm like, I can't be bothered with looking for the exact ones. What I hate the most in my life is when your duvet is different from the shade of your bedspread. Like, it's so annoying. So I was like, nah, I'm gonna buy the full set and I'm going to buy it in person. I was insisting on buying my bedspread in person. I have one bedspread set that I bought from Amazon that I haven't used yet because I'm just contemplating like because it didn't come with a duvet, it was just bedspread and two pillowcases. Like, how would I get the exact same shade? I don't know. Another reason why I really liked this room is obviously you guys see it's well ventilated. It has two windows. So I was like, during summer, this room is going to be lit. Like it gets really airy because there'll be air coming from like opposite and by my side. The bed frame came with the room, so I knew in my head that I wanted something gray. That was the theme I was working with. Well, the room had like a chest of drawers that was gray. The bedside tables were gray, and then the bed frame was gray. So I was like, okay, when I'm working in this room, I'm gonna work with like teal, gray, or like white. So when I wanted to buy like the beddings for my bed, I told you guys I wanted something quality because I didn't want something that I will use for like a few weeks or a few months and then I would dispose. I didn't mind actually spending money. I found this company, Futon Company. The good thing is this company is close to, they have like a very nice showroom close to where I work. So I knew that if I ordered stuff from these people, it would be easy for me to carry it. I would not need to spend any money on delivery, right? And I know delivery can be expensive. So I was like, do I want to like buy something quality that I like that I can actually see with my eyes and then pick, or do I want to shop online? One of the things that I really avoided when I was doing my room is shopping online, and I'm not gonna lie, and it didn't backfire at all. I went into their showroom, they showed me like a catalog, they asked me what I wanted to achieve. I told them that I wanted like a teal cream white base, and the guy took his time, very lovely guy. He was like, oh, let me know when you shoot your video, I'm really interested in seeing what your room looks like. I was like, yeah, I'll let you know. But the guy was really nice. He took his time, showed me like pictures, and then I picked what I wanted. If you guys notice, if you've seen the video in my sitting room as well, I think I have their throw as well, and the um what do they call this now? The blanket in the sitting living room as well. The green one is also from the futon company. They didn't sponsor this video, but maybe if they see this video, they will sponsor it. Anyways, so I got all of these pillow sets from them. So all of these pillows, I think the 6 pillows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the 6 items I got from them, it costed about £120, and they were on sales. Right, they were on sales. I think it's pretty fair because, like I said, I wanted something really quality, and that's it. This was the first item I bought for the room. I bought this from Timo, and guys, I am actually really surprised because I think it costed about £7, which is really like affordable. Like, it is such a beautiful rug. It is so soft. Like, when I put my feet on it, like, it just always feels like I'm stepping on ice cream, if you know what I mean. Like, if you could step on ice cream, that's the feeling I get because it's so soft, so lush. I really love it. It's really good. It was the first thing I bought for my room. That's the rug. The next thing I want to talk about is the frame. If I'm being honest, I think the frame has to be like my most blind buy. I was confused till the minute they delivered the frame. There was like different options that I really liked. I definitely was against buying like white and black frames. I just felt like white and black is very basic. Why do I want to buy white and black? I'll put a picture of the frame that I wanted to buy in place of this one. Well, I sent it to 3 of my friends, and 3 of them chose this frame. I was like, okay, cool. Like, I can't be the only one that likes something. Like, if 3 people are saying this is nicer, I mean, I might as well just buy this one. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys think the frame is nice? Do you think it suits my bed? Because I personally think it doesn't, but I wanted like a light brownish, like this brown shade, guys. Like, there's a frame that looks like it, and I didn't want like black tapings. I wanted like wood. But my friends kept saying, no, like, this is better, this is better. I'll put a picture of the one I wanted to buy, and then I want you guys to tell me, like, do you think it would have been better? This frame costed about £145 for the 3 of them. And it was the frame plus the artwork and everything. It came like differently. There was like the frame. You can buy like the paper separately and then frame it yourself. But trust me, I didn't want to be in that stress of like looking for the exact size. So I just bought like the frame and the artwork together. It was about £145. And this is it. It looks really beautiful. This is one cute Temu buy as well. Guys, whenever I'm on my bed now, I now watch like shows on my phone and everything. And this is just so cute. It kind of holds my phone. I'm such a radio girl. I love, 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 love listening to the radio. This radio is so cute. I've had this radio since Nigeria. I actually brought it all the way from Nigeria to this country. This radio I listen to it every day. I don't think a day goes by that I don't turn on this radio, except I don't shower, which is impossible. When I'm going into the shower in the morning, I take the radio with me. I always love to listen to radio shows. I love listening to people's opinions. I like when people call into a show and just say something random. I don't know, it's just one of my love languages, I guess. No, but like, you get what I mean. Like, I just really love like listening to people talk. So this is the other side of the bed. I have my tulip flowers here because I love tulips. They're so beautiful. I think they're very pure. I had something like this in Nigeria as well. So they're just constantly here. And I have this notepad that I stole from one hotel I stayed and the pencil just to write things. I've never actually had to write anything in the morning, to be honest. But like, I just leave it there just in case one day I need to write something, send a message. And this is one of my windows. I'm going to open this one. I know the camera and the lightning might be crazy, but I'm sorry. This is what my window looks like. Can you imagine like waking up in this gorgeous space every day? Like, I tried so hard to let the room breathe, but I just made it mine. because all of the things I changed in this room are things that I can carry with me if I decide to move away from here. And that's one thing I love the most. Let me show you guys the drawers I was talking about. So do you guys see what I mean by this room is very functional? So this came with the room and it's gray in color. Obviously I do want to carry it out because it's very useful. I love drawers. I keep my underwears, my socks, my camera equipment in this place. I just love this drawer table really clear. Another space that I like in this room that I really love has to be this space. So this is where I do my makeup. All of my makeup is in here. This one has a mirror, so when I'm doing my makeup I can see myself. This is all of my makeup. This is actually my chair. I brought this from my old house as well. It's one of my favorite things about like the room. Another thing that I love is this also has a window, so you can imagine what this room is going to look like during summer or when it's sunny. It is really bright. So, and the best thing is when you're doing your makeup, you're looking towards the light. So it's really good here. I love it. The next place I want to show you guys is my wardrobe. There's not much to see in the wardrobe, but just to show you guys how nice and compact it is. Yeah, guys, this is my wardrobe. So you guys can see how like compact like my wardrobe is, and can you see how aesthetically pleasing the wardrobe is? It kind of complements the room. It's just really cute, really nice. I really love it, to be honest. Like I feel like it's such a nice wardrobe. They really tried. I love the mirrors. The mirrors are really clean, nice, and lovely. I got this really nice laundry bag from the same company, Futon. It's really cute. I think this was for like £22. I love the color. It's a bit off theme because I was thinking like it should be plain gray and white, but this color is actually gray, white, and black. Really beautiful. So what I usually put here is actually like my bed stuff before I go to bed. I just put it in here. This one is one throw that I brought from my previous house. I have emotional connection to this throw because this is the first throw I ever bought in this country, so I'm definitely not throwing it away. So this throw I always use it at night, to be honest, because it's really warm. So I use it before I use my duvet, and then I always put like my bed stuff in here, just hanging out, still making look cute. And this is my baby with my name on it. So I always leave that one here. That's about it in my room. And I just want to show you guys what I've done. All the links to everything that I've purchased and how much they are would be in the description of the video. So this lampshade is actually another cute thing in my room. Guys, this lampshade, I bought it from like the charity shop. I personally feel like this shade is not the last one for me. I'm going to look for a better one because it doesn't even size the lamp, and I feel like it darkens my light. I don't really like that. If I take the shade off, the room is actually brighter with the light. So I'm going to get a better shade. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I just wanted to show you guys the work I've done. Like I just feel proud of myself, right? You know that feeling when you feel like you're proud of yourself or you just want people to see what you've done? That's how I feel. I feel like I did a really good job like making the room feel really homely and warm. Obviously I'd love to hear what you guys think. If there's anything that you think I should tweak, let me know. I'm open to like suggestions. I don't have to listen though, but feel free. Feel free to let me know. Anyways, this is all from me today. I'm gonna catch you guys in another video. Until next time, my name is DW. D to the W. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and I'll catch you later. Bye.